So we're now going to look at freezing.
What's that, freezing?
And replace this 2-inch valve.
Is that 2-inch?
It is, yeah. And replace this all this leaky crap under here. That's another drain valve anyway. It's an isolation valve here that's all busted up.
Right.
And redo that.
That's all barrel, isn't it?
That header. It's barrel up to here. Then they've gone
Copper.
to a 28mm. Yeah, it's alright flipping pigs here. Yeah. Patched all this inch barrel in here. We need to strip it out to there and then redo it. Get that straight and redo this bit in copper along here, back up into there, and also replace the original valve we were thinking of doing. So this will be out of hours because it's going to be a 2-inch freeze just here somewhere, a bit tight for space, but we'll get it. I think that's that then.